Welcome everyone to my new tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to try to solve simultaneous equation using the elimination method. We've got a question. We're going to break down our question into two parts. Number one is going to be equation 1 and the number 2 we're going to name equation number 2. Now we need to change these equations. What changes we need to bring? We need to either eliminate x or y to find the x or y value. So to do that we're going to find which equation we need to change. Now if you observe closely, you're going to find that it is possible to increase the y value in equation number 2 to 3. Then we can eliminate basically 3y with minus 3y plus 3y with minus 3y, and to do that therefore we will have to multiply the whole equation 2 by 3. Now taking that approach, we're gonna multiply it, and once you multiply it, you're gonna have 21x minus 3y is equal to 108. We're not gonna go into details, so I presume that you have ability to do that by yourself, or you can do that. Now we're gonna bring down our equation number 1 down. Now what to do with it? There is a rule, and as you can see on the screen, that if they have both the equation have got same signs, we subtract. If it is different sign, we add. And as you can see, we have got two different signs, therefore we will add. So 21x plus 4x, both have got plus signs, which is going to give us 25x. Now minus 3y with plus 3y eliminate each other, and 108 plus 17 is going to give us 125. Now we have to move 25x from the left hand side to the right hand side. So once you move, what happens is it's going to be x equal to, now before that we're going to see 125 we've got on the right hand side, and 25 is multiplying on the left hand side. So once you move from the left hand side to the right hand side, it will divide, which will give us 5. So x is going to be equal to 5. Now we found the value of x, which is going to be 5. Now we need to find that value, which is 5, in our equation number 1 to find the value of y. Now to do that, we're going to bring down our equation number 1 down and put the value of x in it. So instead of x, we're going to put 5 into bracket. Now, so if you see, we have changed the value. Now once we multiply 4 to 5, we will get 20 plus 3y is equal to 17. So the basic target in here is to eliminate all the numbers from the left hand side and keep the y separate so we could find its value. And the first step to do that is to bring 20 from the left hand side to the right hand side, and we're going to bring that. Once we bring it, it's going to be 17 minus 2x. The value of 20 is going to change to minus. So once you conclude the answer, it's going to be minus 3. Now we have got 3y is equal to minus 3. Now we've got 3 on the left hand side still attached with y, so we're going to bring it to the right hand side. So then remember, before bringing it on, 3y is multiplying with y, so it's going to be dividing on the right hand side. Once you divide it on the right hand side, it's going to be y is equal to minus 1. Now we're going to test our equation whether we have done it correctly or not, and to do that we're going to bring the value of x in both the equations, and then we're going to see whether right hand side is going to be equal to the left hand side or not. Now with the first equation, if you put their value, you're going to find that all of them, if you solve it, is going to be equal to 17. And now the first one is correct. So the second one, if you put the x value, which is 5, then you're going to find out actually it gives us 36, which is also correct. Now Thanks for watching. Let's go to the next question.